As a community-grounded, equity-driven organization, deeply embedded in the Fitzgerald neighborhood, we know that Black leaders are pouring into our young people and supporting our community in ways that others simply are not. We also know that Black leaders, and especially nonprofit Black leaders, are held to a different standard, a higher standard, and a shifting standard. As a team, we wanted to create a space to uplift these Black leaders. We also wanted to provide them with the resources and supports that they were very clearly telling us they wanted and needed. And we wanted to create a space where they could simply be. The Community Impact Incubator is an opportunity for us to do just that. We are providing organizations with the capacity, the resources, and the support that they need to grow their organizations sustainably and for the long term. Our partnership with Marygrove has allowed us to also grow our footprint in the Fitzgerald community. The Community Impact Incubator is us living out our commitment to say we see you, we support you, we will engage you, and we will uplift you. It is also our commitment saying we support and uplift whole Black leaders.
The Community Impact Incubator provides an opportunity for 5 nonprofits that have already been doing amazing work to hone their skills in the Fitzgerald community. Organizational leaders are able to gain professional development, relationship building, and scalable support throughout the organizations. What motivated SCP was wanting to make an impact in the Fitzgerald community. We knew that nonprofits in Detroit are important, especially ones that serve youth, and we wanted to make sure that they would be able to sustain throughout the COVID-19 pandemic.
This program makes sense for Marygrove Conservancy because it's a way for us to leverage our greatest asset, which is our physical space, and pair that with organizations who mean to do good in the Fitzgerald and Bagley community.
I can honestly say as a leader, it sharpened me in all aspects. Just from an operational standpoint, I gained so much knowledge in the capacity building sectors.
The incubator program has not only just provided resources, but it's also provided examples of what leadership looks like, what Black leadership should look like, that will effectively impact a community in the most positive way. To be a part of this program as a leader has allowed me to increase my vision, where my vision is not only looking at a local or state level, but also at a global level.
The incubator staff has provided a way for me to look at my organization like I never looked at it before. I look at it now as something very important for the community.
I appreciate these sessions in that we can be completely honest, right? So we're in a space where we don't have to be perfect. We get that technical assistance of figuring out how to solidify our organizations and build capacity. Hearing ideas from the entrepreneur in residence is a huge help, right? Because sometimes they're just ideas or thoughts, but being able to get that support and those thoughts really makes a huge difference.
I will tell you, I've been a part of a lot of leadership initiatives. I have a doctorate in leadership, and I've just been around for a long time. And this has been unlike any other experience I've ever been a part of. It's been incredibly intense, honest, deliberate, and so it's been an amazing, thoughtful engagement. I'm so grateful to be a part of it.
Strategic community partners learned that providing a space for organizations, providing a space for Black leaders specifically to connect, collaborate, and learn from each other is pivotal in the nonprofit space. We see a lot of times that there's incubators for entrepreneurs, incubators for the tech space, but there wasn't one for nonprofits, specifically executive directors of color, to connect, learn, and grow their skills. We want the Community Impact Incubator to be a pivotal point for the organizations, for this to be the turning point where their organization scaled up and went to that next level.